Okay, now let us solve some examples to determine whether the signals are periodic or aperiodic. Okay, let us consider this example. Sin 5 pi n. Here 5 pi is represented omega. So omega naught by 2 pi should be equal to k by n, where n is the fundamental time period or frequency. Time period, and k is an integer. It should be both, the ratio of both these should be a rational number. Okay, omega naught by 2 pi, 5 pi by 2 pi is equal to k by n. K is an integer, 2 is the fundamental time period is 2 of the sequence, and 5 is an integer, so it is a periodic signal. And let us take another example. Cos 4n. 4 by 4 is the omega naught. 4 by, we take the ratio of omega naught by 2 pi. 4 is 4 by 2 pi. 4 goes 2 times on 2, and 2 by pi. Pi is not a rational number, so the ratio of this is irrational, so it is not periodic. Okay, when this is okay when you have two signals only, means you have individual signals. But if you have addition of two signals, what to do? If you have addition of two signals, take the first ratio of omega naught by 2 pi, that is k by n, and calculate the k1 by n1, and take the second signal omega naught by 2 pi, k2 by n2. Take both these ratios. Neglect k1 or k2. Take n1 and 2. These are fundamental time periods, as you have discussed above. Fundamental time periods. These n1 and n2. If the ratio of n1 by n2 is rational, then x of n is periodic. So you know that this is periodic. But what should be the fundamental time period of the x of n? We get the fundamental time period of x of n by doing LCM of these n1 and n2. 3, 5. The LCM of 3, 5 is 15. So this is the fundamental time period of x of n. Okay, this is okay. But now we have this sequence, which is multiplication of two individual signals. So if you have multiplication of two individual signals, you take both the ratios similarly as of the before case, and then see the ratio of it. First omega by 2 pi, 1 by 6 here, 1 by 6 it is. 1 by 6 by 2 pi you have to do. It is not periodic because pi is not cancelling here. But in the second case, we have pi by 6 as omega naught. So pi cancel, but it is periodic. So from this we know that the product of periodic and aperiodic signal is always non-periodic or aperiodic. But the product of two periodic into periodic is always periodic. Okay? And the product of aperiodic into aperiodic will give you and periodic signal.